Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu ala habibi Muhammadin wa alihi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum students, you must be fine hopefully today. Today we'll study proven and practical Ielts reading tips and tricks. Okay. Number one tip is give an Ielts test in exam conditions. In exam conditions means the reading test consists of 1 hour, you spend only 1 hour on that. Okay, that's it. There are 40 questions, you are supposed to solve them within 60 minutes, spend only 60 minutes, not a single minute less, not a single minute above. Okay, that's called giving the test in exam conditions. Okay. Number two, check the answers. Okay. Number three, observe your weak areas. When you check the answer, definitely you get to know your mistakes and you observe your weak areas. Number four, work on your weak areas only. Number five, things start from zero. Don't be discouraged. For example, you get less bands, okay, or less marks, okay. You make a lot of mistakes, okay, during the test or after the results, okay. So don't be discouraged. All the things, they start from zero, okay. Nobody is born perfect, okay. Next one is number 6. In the beginning, you may be slow, okay. Number 7, keep track of time with stopwatch or cell phone buzzer, okay. Like set a time of 15 minutes for the first passage, then the time of 18 minutes for the second passage, then the time of like 24 minutes for the third passage, and save 4 minutes for yourself, okay, because first passage is difficult, second is more difficult, third is more difficult. So divide your time according to difficulty level, okay. Next one is tip number 8, practice makes man perfect, okay. The more you practice, number 9, the more you practice, the more perfect you are. Number 10, you may rely on internet and YouTube for guidance regarding your problem areas. Number 11, divide your time wisely. Number 12, wisely mean, again I will come to that point, you know, you should spend time like, you know, it's an easy to difficult approach. First reading passage is difficult, spend only 15 minutes. Second reading passage is more difficult, spend 18 minutes. And third reading passage is toughest, okay, or most difficult. Spend 24 minutes, even then save 4 minutes for you, okay. And those 4 minutes, in those 4 minutes you will revise. Okay, number 12, follow easy to difficult approach. Number 13, again I will come to that point. First passage is difficult, okay, try to spend only 15 minutes on it. Second passage, number 14, second passage is more difficult and spend 18 minutes on it. Number 15, third passage is considered to be the most difficult and spend 24 minutes on it. Number 16, save 4 minutes for revision. Number 17, do not stuck yourself in a single difficult point if it's not understandable. If it's not understandable, either skip it or solve it just by guess. In case you skip it or solve it by guess, put a small dot or star on it with lead pencil so that in the lowest saved 4 minutes you may revise and correct it. Okay. Number 18, keep watching the success stories of 9, 8, 7 and 6 band holders and observe them and see how did they achieve them. See, so you must also see and observe the success stories. Okay, that's what I can say the practical and proven IELTS, you can say IELTS tips and tricks are. Okay, you can see I'm revising it. It's proven and practical IELTS reading tips and tricks. Okay, if you follow these tips and tricks, okay, I'm hopeful you'll get a good IELTS band. Okay, hope for the best. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz. Till the next video.